In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Gitlab. Whether you finished work on a project or need to make some space by clearing out old files, deleting a project is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and cover each step so you can confidently manage your projects with ease. First, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, as long as it can access the internet, you're good to go. We're going to search for Gitlab. In the search bar, type in Gitlab and press Enter. Once you see the search results, click on the link that takes you to Gitlab's official site. Next up, you'll need to log into your Gitlab account. Enter your credentials and make sure everything is correct before you proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, where all your projects are listed. Browse through your dashboard or project list to locate the project you wish to delete. After you've found your project, click on it to open the project page. On this page, look towards the left sidebar. You'll notice various options here that help you navigate through different settings for the project. You're going to need to click on the Settings option in this sidebar. Once you've done that, select General. This will take you to the General Settings page for your project. Now, scroll down this General Settings page until you reach the section labeled Advanced. This section might be collapsed initially, so you'll need to expand it to continue. Here, you'll find several advanced settings that offer more control over your project operations. As you scroll through the advanced settings, you'll spot the Delete Project option. This is the crucial step where you'll erase all data associated with this specific project, so make sure you're absolutely sure you want to proceed before moving forward. Click on the Delete Project button. When you do this, a confirmation dialog will pop up. Gitlab wants to ensure you don't accidentally delete anything important, so you'll need to type the project's name exactly as it appears here. This serves as the final checkpoint to make sure you're intentional with this action. After entering the project's name precisely, you move to the last step. You'll see a button that reads, Yes, Delete Project. Go ahead and click it. Once done, the project will be permanently deleted from your Gitlab account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a project on Gitlab. Remember, this action is irreversible, so double-check that you don't need any data from the project before following through. Feel free to re-watch this guide if you need a refresher, and as always, happy coding.